शशांक आज मिटींग आशिल्ली आनी तुमी रिप्रेजेंट केला एज अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट कितें आसलें डिस्कशन वॉट
बेसिकली आमी आतां म्हाका न्यूली अपॉइंट केला एज डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट. देर आर सर्टन ड्युटीज, सर्टन consultations I have to do with all the blocks. Under me there are 12 constituencies which come under the newly formed North Goa district which our party has made. I want to familiarize myself with all constituencies. I want to listen to everybody from the block president, the committee asa and the remaining block. So to have that discussion and to familiarize myself with everybody with the block is the reason why we have had the meeting.
आयज सांताक्रूज ब्लॉक म्हणत जाल्यार एकूच इशू आसा म्हणटा तो दॅट एडवोकेट पालेकर इज जॉयनींग काँग्रेस म्हणटा पळय तो डिस्कशनान येयलो.
सांताक्रूज कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो इशू पालेकर जॉईन जाता तो ना
नो इशू म्हणून दॅट हॅज कम इन दॅट
आतां आमी वाटेर पयला तो रस्त्या हाडीत कचरो दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट.
दीस इज हांवें आयकलां देर आर सम ओपोजींग दॅट.
Whenever there is an election, a selection, joining, exit, there will always be somebody who is agreeable, somebody who is not agreeable. Our job as a party or as a representative of that area is to make sure that we take up the correct issues which are affecting the people. Somebody joining or somebody leaving is not within a personal control of anybody, because any individual may feel he wants to go here, he may go there. It is their choice. If somebody is joining our party or if they align with our ideology and they want to work towards the betterment of the people, then they are welcome. If there is anybody who is not agreeable with the fact that some person is not joining, as a district representative who is representing the block, it is my duty to bring those people together and sort out the differences if at all they are.
Are there differences?
Not that I know.
तुझ्या फुड्यान काय नदरेक वाडूंक ना.
There is whatever discussions we are having within the block as a district representative, it is my job to iron out those wrinkles. I am not calling them differences. There are disagreements, and that is the foundation of our party.
But the discussion came that he joining the party. The discussion आंगेले तुमच्या आयजो.
Yes, it was there.
So it is welcome by everybody. Okay then.
Yes, it is welcome by everybody.
मरे आनी तुमी आसा का तुमी लोकल सो काँग्रेस ब्लॉकाचे सो कितें वॉट इज असे
एकूच मातशें सुटलें म्हणटा तें पार्टी लेवलाचेर ब्लॉकाक कॉन्फिडंटान घेवंक ना.
ओके
आतां ब्लॉक सांताक्रूज ब्लॉक आहा न्हू तें आमचें काँग्रेसूच न्हू. एवरी इयर वी आर गिवींग काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट. सो पार्टीन पयले ब्लॉकाक कॉन्फिडंटान घेवंक जाय आसलें. अमित पालेकर इज वेलकम इन द काँग्रेस, बट डिसिजन इज रॉंग. कॉन्फिडंटान घेवंक ना ब्लॉक कमिटी.
सो इट्स नॉट एन इशू ऑफ वेलकमिंग तो इशू कांय जावंक ना बिकॉज रुमर आसलेलो.
अरे पळय काँग्रेस म्हणटा तो एक व्हडलो दर्या. आ दर्याली एक माणूस तुटून गेलेली आनी आम आदमी पार्टी जालेली काँग्रेस टायमाचेर तेन्ना. आतां हे आम आदमी गेलेले पळय ते पत्ते येता काँग्रेसीन. सो दे आर वेलकम.
जॉन वॉट इज युअर से ऑन दिस?
No, see, the thing is, from the time I took up as a block president, this is my force. Wherever I go with this force, and I'm just a face. So तेन्ना पळय नासल्यार म्हाका हे येवंक लागले फिगर की आमकां कन्सल्ट करूंक ना. कित्याक इवन ड्युरींग हें आसलें पळय ZP इलेक्शन तेन्ना आमी ब्लॉकाक कन्सिडर करूनच आमची नांवां चूज केलेली आनी तीच नांवां मागीर आमी पार्टीक धाडलेली. म्हणून हे फावटी आमचें ओपिनियन अशें जालें की इट शूड हॅव कम फॉर डिस्कशन बिफोर द ब्लॉक कमिटी. कित्याक आमी कितें एक्टिविटीज घेता ते कलेक्टिवली घेता तेका लागून तें नांव येवंक जाय आसलें म्हणून तेका लागून आमचे कमिटी मेंबर्स आसा पळय तेका खंय तरी मातशें हट जालेले. प्रत्येकार तेजेर आमी डिस्कस केलें आनी थोडे तेणी पॉयंट दिल्या. ते पॉयंट that I cannot tell before the press. I will, they have instructed me to send it to the party high command.
No, but in front of the district president now, is the block welcoming him now?
Yes.
Because the differences is batasha.
No, and moreover, he is not joining the block. He is a state leader. He was the, ते आमी चिंतूंक जाय तो स्टेट लिडर आसा. इवन ते बॅनराचेर तेणें ब्लॉकाचें कांयच मेन्शन करूंक ना. सो so he's joining the main account.
पण ब्लॉकाचे मेन्शन देऊन कोण आला फायनली सांताक्रूज ना आफ्टर दॅट
No. See, we have a hierarchy within our party. There is a PCC, there is a district, and there is a block. Now, he has expressed his wish to join the party. The party at the level at which he has approached, maybe the PCC, they have accepted his willingness to join the party. They have told him to work. Now, he is from this block,
Area.
from this area. He is within this constituency.
Constituency.
We are going to all together work towards the betterment of the constituency. So our process today was, like I said, not differences, but to iron out the wrinkles which are there. But finally, everybody is going to work together for the constituency. And today, my role here was also to understand what are these lapses which have happened, and that these lapses should not happen elsewhere.
Shashank, one thing is just to ask you, since you are a district president, a person joining party doesn't give him a ticket. You mean to say that also is a? Just clarify on that.
See, the process of giving tickets, the elections are 8 to 10 months away. The process of giving tickets has not started. There will be multiple people within the block, within the constituency, maybe people from who are not part of the party also, who at that time want the candidature from the Congress. The way that our work is going on everywhere, the block is active. The district is also in the process of restructuring certain things. The question of giving the ticket will be considered at the point of time when it comes. So we will cross that bridge when we reach that bridge.
काँग्रेस ब्लॉकाची मिटींग आशिल्ली कितें सांगला तुम्ही
ते कितें अमित पालेकराक लागून तो ताका वेलकम केला काँग्रेसीन ताका लागून ती मिटींग दवरलेली तेणी ब्लॉकाची
सो तुम्ही कितें सांगला आतां
हांव तिका कांय उलोवना
सपोर्ट आसा ओपोज आसा
पळय म्हाका कोणूय यो गमलें न्हू कोणूय यो ओपोजिशनाचो दुसरे पार्टीचो वेलकम कित्याक जाणा तूं पार्टी हें सपोर्ट वाडटा
ओके
अमित पालेकर आहा तो पावरफूल मनीस आसलो कित्याक आम आदमीचो प्रेसिडेंट तो बेश्टो न्हू तो कार्यकर्ता म्हण बेश्टो येवं ना तो कितें पूण ताका वेलकम तुमी करूंक जाय न्हू त्या तिकेटीची आनीक सुमार आहा 6 वर्सां हे आतां तिकेटीक हें जाता
पण थोड्यांचो ओपोजूय हा म्हणून अशें म्हणून आयकल्लें
ओपोज म्हणजे ते थिंगा ओपोज करता हांव जाल्यार ओपोज ना ताका
तूं ओपोज ना
हांव ओपोज ना कित्याक पार्टीचो पावर वाडटा असल्या मनशांक घेवप म्हणजे आनीक 2 जाण मान कोणें आहा जाल्यार घेया पार्टी कितें पूण ह्यो कुल्ल्यो सोडोंक दिना कोणाकूच मला न्हू तुका एक हांव एक हें मारता तुका 5 मेंबर पळय आसता न्हू 5 मेंबर एक टायम तूं 20 वोटांक जिखलो जाल्यार तुवें मायनस जावंक फावना प्लस जावंक जाय तुवें दुस्मानाच्या हातार हात घालूंक जाय दुस्मानाची कोणाची कामां करूंक जाय तेन्नाच तूं मागीर 100 वोटांनी जिखता हिंगा आहा ते 20 वोटांनी आहा ते मागीर ते मायनस ते 100 वोटांनी आनी सकल तशें जावंक फावना तेका हाडलो वेलकम करा तेका पार्टीन तेका काम करूंक दिया तेका पळोवया काम कशें तें तो कसो वावुरता तो आनी तिकेट डिसायड मागीर न्हू हां
हे पयल्या चिंता
हे पयले हिंगा आहा 4-5 जाण 6-7 जाणां आपणाक तिकेट म्हणटा पूण तिकेट जिखपाक कोणाकडेन कपासतात आहा हां तो येयला बरो येयला तो म्हाजे हितून येना तें
सो तुजा सपोर्ट आसा उरलेल्यान जे तुका खबर ना
हांव दुसऱ्याचें पडोवना आमी काँग्रेसमॅन आं आनी काँग्रेसान येयलो हांव तेका जाल्यार बरें वेलकम करता तेका आतां 10 तारीख तेजें हें आहा न्हू हांव न्हू म्हाका तर गमो ना म्हाका काँग्रेसीच्या एका फ्रेंडान म्हाका फोन मारून थिंगा आपयला हेंची कितें जाता न्हू हेंची मिस्टेक कितें जाता हे सगल्यांक कॉन्फिडंटान घेयना पळय तेजें कितें जाता पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट आसता यूथ प्रेसिडेंट आसता मागीर ब्लॉक आसता कोण आसता न्हू तेणी मेळोन तेंकां तें घेवंक जाय सगलें कित्याक काडटा हे सगलें हे मेंबर काडटा कित्याक पार्टी घट जावपाक मागीर ती इली हेंगा झगडो येता मागीर
ओके
कळ्ळें